everyone, welcome to the Origami Joy channel. Today, we will be making a double-layer storage box. You can use it to store small snacks and items. You will need 2 square sheets of paper. We will start with the red sheet. First, fold it in half from left to right. Unfold. Then, fold the left side to the center line. Fold the right side to the center line. Fold it in half from top to bottom. Fold the top right corner down to here. Unfold. Put your finger inside. Like this. Pinch it into a triangle. Turn it to the right. Fold the top left corner down to here. Unfold. Put your finger inside. Fold it into a triangle. Turn it to the left. Rotate it. Align the bottom edge with the center line. Align the top edge with the center line. Turn it over. Fold it the same way. Align the bottom edge with the center line. Align the top edge with the center line. Rotate it. Fold this triangle down. Unfold. Turn it over. Fold this triangle down again. Unfold. Pick it up. Open it from the middle. Use your fingers to hold it open. Pinch it. Fold along the previous creases. Adjust it. This one is done. Set it aside for now. Let's take the other sheet of paper. Fold it the same way as before. Fold in half first. Unfold. Align the left and right edges with the center line. If you already know how to do this, you can fast forward. If you like our tutorial, please like and subscribe. Align the top right edge with the center line. Unfold and put your finger inside. Pinch it into a triangle. Turn it to the right. Fold the left side the same way. Pinch it into a triangle. Turn it to the left. Rotate it. Align the bottom edge with the center line. Align the top edge with the center line. Turn it over. Align the bottom edge with the center line. Align the top edge with the center line. Rotate it. Fold this triangle down. Unfold. Turn it over. Fold this triangle down again. Unfold. Pick it up. Put your finger inside. Hold it open. Adjust the edges. Now we have folded two identical boxes. Let's choose one. Fold the top layer of the box. Let's choose the blue one. Fold the top edge down. Fold it down again. Good. Put this corner into the triangle pocket. Do the same on this side. First fold it down. Fold it down again. Put this corner into the pocket. Okay, this box is done. Put the two boxes together. If it feels loose, you can add some glue here. Now let's assemble the two layers. Insert the bottom layer. Adjust it. Okay, Our double layer storage box is done. You can store small items and snacks. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time, bye bye.